Is your Hyundai Kona showing a black screen when you plug in for Apple CarPlay? Statistically, 80% of these connectivity glitches are solved without a single trip to the dealership. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your screen back to normal. Start by ruling out physical hardware failure by inspecting your ports and swapping out your USB cable for a known good one. On your iPhone, remove the Kona from your CarPlay profiles and ensure your device software is fully up to date. If the phone is fine, use the physical pinhole reset button on your Kona dash to force the infotainment system to reboot. Try these software resets first, but if the screen remains black, you may be looking at a wiring harness or head unit hardware issue. Most users find that a simple cable swap or infotainment reset fixes the problem immediately. If you're still stuck, try applying the latest Hyundai firmware update or disconnecting the vehicle battery to perform a full system power cycle. Keep a paper clip and a high-quality cable in your glove box to handle these intermittent connection drops on the go. Remember that modern infotainment is basically a computer, and like any computer, it occasionally needs a fresh start. If these steps did not work, it is time to schedule a dealer inspection. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook.